start of Group A abs exercise, contraction routine. This is the first exercise, crunches. You have to do 3 sets. You start with 10 repetition per set, then you can take it up to 20 reps per set. Now this is the wrong way of doing, when your shoulders are starting from the floor and then coming up. This is the wrong. You may get jerks in your neck and your back, in your waist. See, this is the way you should start. This is the position to start, where you will be maintaining a contraction in your abs. The legs has to be in a raised way. Down the next exercise is the leg raise. Put both your hands under your hips. Raise your feet, both the feet together. Come down, go up. When you are going up, you should breathe out. When the legs are up, breathe out. Your feet should not touch the floor, and when they are up, they should not be in 90 degree with your waistline. This also 3 sets. Start with 12 reps per set. Then as you progress, you can take it up to 20 reps per set. And your head and shoulders should be above the floor to maintain that abdomen contraction. Now the next is the scissor kicks. This is also for the lower abs. The previous one, leg raise, was also for the lower abs. And the first one, the crunches, was for the upper abs. Here also again, lift your legs, your shoulders up from the floor, and alternatively move your legs upwards and downwards, not touching the floor. Your feet should not touch the floor, neither they should be in 90 degree with your waistline. This also 3 sets. Start with 12, then you can take up to 20 reps per set. Now we will be doing the Russian twist. This is for the side obliques. Always remember, when the muscles, you are contracting the muscles, you have to breathe out. Now this is the Russian twist for the side obliques. Once you have to go to the left, then again to the right. That is 1 repetition. Like that, you have to do 12 to 20 repetitions in 3 sets. Now we will be doing the bow plank. Bow plank, in the straight plank, your body is generally parallel to the ground, but here it has to be a little in a curved way. Your glutes and your abs have to be tightened. You start with 30 seconds and slowly you have to, as you progress, you can take it up to 60 seconds. Plank hold. This is, you can do only 1 set. The rest period between the sets has to be 20 seconds, and the rest period between exercises can be or should be 30 seconds. And in the plank, make your abs totally contracted, very tight, and your glutes also very tight, should be very tight. Do normal breathing from your nose. Now slowly relax.